What's the meaning of criss-cross? Criss-cross. Criss-cross.
Criss-cross. Criss-cross. Criss-cross is a phrase that describes the action of moving back and forth in a zigzag pattern. It can be used to refer to physical movements, such as walking or driving, as well as figurative movements, such as shifting between different tasks or ideas. The result of crisscrossing is a series of intersecting lines or paths that create a pattern resembling an X or a cross. This pattern can be intentional, such as when playing a game of tic-tac-toe, or unintentional, as when tracking multiple flight paths on a map.